Well, hello there, Reef here. I got a new little surprise. The Sterno folding stove. And I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to make this baby work much better than you ever thought it could. It comes in this box. It just slides out one piece. And it's a folding stove. So let's do the folding or unfolding. See how this thing goes together. I always forget. Sorta. Boomity bang bang bong bong. Okay. These go up here. And you just slide this bar under there like so. Same thing on the other side. And these two little clippity clips, like so. Lock it in place. Bingo, bango, bongo. There you go. And it actually goes this way. So your pot or pan sits up here, and your door goes like va 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 voom. But here's the key. The key is to use this fuel. The Camp Heat wick style camping fuel. Not the jellied alcohol fuel that Sterno makes, but this one with the wick. And this just sits back in here like such. Oh, you're going to love this thing. I'm really surprised how hot this baby can get. Okay, so I have the stove lit, as you can see. I'm going to put my frying pan on. With the lid on it, there's a little bit of oil in the pan. I'm going to let this heat up for a moment. On me little folding stove, here. You're looking pretty good on me little folding stove, I tell you. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We are done at the 20-minute mark. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Bye-bye.